Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share a preparation strategy for upcoming NABARD IT exam. The dates of NABARD IT exam have been announced in the notification. You can fill the online application form from 27th of July to 15th of August. Phase 1 preliminary exam is on 1st of September. Phase 2 की dates अभी out नहीं हुई हैं, but according to our sources, phase 2 exam will be on 20th of October. तो आपके पास phase 1 के बाद phase 2 के लिए काफ़ी टाइम होगा, around 45 to 50 days होंगे. So right now in this 1 month that you have in your hand, you can focus more on your phase 1, you can give less time to your phase 2, and after phase 1 you can focus more on phase 2. Let's look at the pattern. Once in phase 1 you have 8 subjects. Out of these 8 subjects, 5 are qualifying. You have to just clear the sectional cutoff in those sections. And in the remaining 3 sections, these are merit sections, so you have to score good enough marks. I have already discussed in detail the previous year cutoffs. You can check that out to see how much cutoff goes in the merit sections. Last year it was 11.5. In 2022 it was 14.5, and in 2021 it was somewhere 26 point something. So you can see the cutoff does not go too high out of 100, and you can easily prepare for phase 1 in this remaining 1 month. Then you have your phase 2, which is mains. In phase 2, first paper is descriptive English, in which you will have essay, précis, comprehension. Your paper 2, which is IT stream specific paper, will have 2 parts. One is objective, another is descriptive type. The objective paper will have 30 questions, which are of 50 marks. Some questions are of 1 mark, some questions are of 2 marks. In the descriptive type, you will have 6 questions, out of which 4 have to be attempted. 2 questions of 15 marks each are to be attempted, and 2 questions of 10 marks each are to be attempted. Marks for the descriptive paper are also 50. So your total mains exam, phase 2 exam, is of 200. Students in the ratio of 1:25 will be called for your mains after prelims, and in the ratio of 1:3 will be called for interview after mains. Then you have your phase 3, which is interview. Interview is of 50 marks. The final merit list will be out of 250. I have already discussed all the cutoffs with you. Go through them to understand how much should be your target score in phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. We will be talking more about the strategy in this video. So as I was saying, you should focus more on phase 1. But if you are confident about phase 1, you can give a little bit of time to phase 2. Let's say for a fresher student, if you are starting your preparation right now and you are planning to study 7 to 8 hours per day. Now this time may vary depending upon your preparation level, your strengths or weaknesses, but let's assume that one student is going to devote 7 to 8 hours to the studies. So out of these 7 to 8 hours, spend only 2 hours for your IT subject. Briefly cover some of the topics of IT subject, and in the remaining 6 hours focus on your phase 1. You can also divide these 6 hours in 2 parts, 2 hours for your qualifying sections, 4 hours for your merit section. In this way you can prepare. In the description you will find a NABARD IT complete guide and study plan plus live class schedule attached below. We are starting our NABARD Grade A IT batch from 31st of July. In this course, you will have video lessons, study notes, live sessions, interview guidance, practice test, everything available in a single course. This is your complete guide and study plan. You will also have the live class schedule for phase 1 present in this. You can see initially the vacancy trend, the eligibility. This is the eligibility. You can check out your eligibility from here. I have already explained the exam pattern to you. Now you can see what all topics you have to cover for the merit section. ARD, Agriculture, Rural Development and ESI. These topics are to be covered, and in 4 weeks how to cover the topics every week. Also you will see a live class schedule. Now you can join these live classes depending upon your requirement. This is a 30 days live class schedule starting from 31st of July. 9 to 10:30 am is quants class, 10:30 am to 12 noon is reasoning, 12 to 1 is English class, and then your ARD, ESI, GA, decision making and computer knowledge. These classes are from 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 pm. You will see the classes are there from 27th of July, but the initial 4 days are strategy discussion classes, the previous year paper classes, all subject strategies, everything. So you can see these actual content classes are starting from 1st of August, Introduction to Agriculture, Terminology and Definitions, ARD class. So this is the live class schedule for your phase 1. Your descriptive English and IT classes are also there. but they will be less frequent because you already have so many classes you need to study for phase 1. So you can refer to IT class recordings later on, descriptive English class recordings later on, or you can join and just go through the discussion in the class. You can revise after your phase 1. So in this way you can use this course to the best of your knowledge. In this guide you will also find the syllabus and topic for all the sections in phase 1, what to study, strategy to study, how to study. So everything is included. You can download this. In the end you will find a brief mention of phase 2 exam preparation. Here if you see, I have given you a study plan. So if you're planning to also give 2 hours on a daily basis to your IT subject, then you can choose to study these topics on respective days, and in this way you will be able to cover few of the topics before your phase 1 exam, and you can cover remaining topic after your phase 1. It's entirely your choice. You may also choose to go for phase 2 subjects preparation after phase 1, as you will have good time in your hand. So you can download this guide. You can check out this class schedule and study plan. Remember, we are starting the new batch from 31st of July. So if you want to enroll, hurry up, enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.